In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily get free games on your Apple Watch without any subscriptions or payment. All you have to need to go to your app library on your Apple Watch and scroll down and find out the App Store. Open the App Store on your Apple Watch, and in App Store, you can search for some free games like Pong, Tic-Tac-Toe, and Jellyfish Tap. Additional apps like Games for Watch offer collections of free games like Walk a Bag and Space Defender and Ground Defense, and more games you can easily find on your App Store on Apple Watch. Just tap on this search icon and search for the exact game you want to download. You can also search for free games and search for this keyword, free games. As a search result, here you will find lots of offline and online free game for Apple Watch. As you can see, lots of games are showing, and you can also search for Pong, and you can install this Hit the Island dynamic Pong game. Let's open this game. Just tapping on play. And that's how you can play the game on your Apple Watch, as you can see. So this is a very basic game for our Apple Watch. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.